Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make chlorine solution for disinfection. First, gather your materials: unscented household bleach, clean water, and a measuring spoon or cup. Always ensure good ventilation when working with bleach. Remember, never mix bleach with other cleaners, especially ammonia, as this can create dangerous gases. Safety first when preparing your disinfectant. For general disinfection of hard, non-porous surfaces, a common ratio is 1/4 cup of bleach per 1 gallon of water. This yields a solution with about 500 parts per million of available chlorine. For a slightly less concentrated solution, suitable for some food contact surfaces, you can use 1 tablespoon of bleach per 1 gallon of water, achieving around 200 parts per million. Always follow specific guidelines for the surface you are cleaning. When mixing, always add bleach to water, not the other way around, to prevent splashing. Use a clean, dedicated container for your solution. After mixing, apply the solution to the surface you wish to disinfect, ensuring it remains wet for at least 5 minutes. This contact time is essential for effective germ killing. Finally, rinse the disinfected surfaces thoroughly with clean water and allow them to air dry. Chlorine solutions lose their potency over time, so it's best to prepare a fresh batch daily for optimal disinfection. Store any unused, undiluted bleach in its original container in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight and heat. Always keep bleach and solutions out of reach of children and pets. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and stay safe.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.